Philip, I have a question. If magkasugod ka again, if nakay puhunan, would you start a barbershop again if nakay mayong puhunan or what's yung negosyo kung sugdon? Have you ever kanang bata pa ka na sayo alot sa tawon mo like reklamo sila?
Daghan kasama.
Okay.
Agi ko guan janitor tapos nag-dicer ako na sa URC sa panel.
Wow.
Agi ko guan janitor.
Yeah, I gotta run some errands today. Probably potentially get a haircut, go to the office, and handle some usual work stress. What does a haircut cost here in the Philippines for a decent haircut? Not the super low ones or not the super high ones. Like I have come to realize that some haircuts are only 70 pesos, which is you can pick it up maybe 100 pesos in little corners and little cantos around, or you can go to somewhat upper level one, AC, a little bit of other services, and those are around 250, 300 pesos. And the higher end ones I've paid as high as 1,800 for a haircut here. So let's go to the one that I'm going to today that I particularly like.
Hey everyone, so in editing this video, please forgive my Bisaya because I'm struggling and doing my best to speak the local vernacular. For those of you Bisaya viewers, please forgive me. Enjoy the video.
Okay. Hey everyone, so I am here at Barbero near unsang eskwelahan nito padre DMMA. It's right by this main road right here if you're in Davao. While I'm getting a haircut, I'm gonna be interviewing my barber just on basic questions about here in the Philippines and all that stuff, okay? Thank you.
Start.
Okay, we're gonna start. Oh, I talk big anyway. Dako magdingog anyway here. Ibutan na sa muhag. Yeah.
Dili mo busy derot.
I'm busy. Muna akong first stop, then moto ko sa opisina, and then I gotta run around today. Then we'll diretso ko trabaho later. So I found this spot because out of convenience, because like it's literally like 10 or 15 minutes away from my house. I didn't want to go to any further because it's just for convenience. Plus this spot is actually really nice, air conditioned, which I like, and it cooked very well. Kanang wala kay lang mo, unsay pangalan nimo, unsay name sa imong negosyo. Let's go.
Barbero Davao.
And what's your name? What's your name? So everyone knows.
Philip.
Mr. Philip. He's a really good barber. I'll be honest with you. This is like the mga third time I think third time and it's always a good consistent cut. So for those of you looking to I mean, if you want to live in Davao, Pinoy or otherwise foreigner or whatever, it's a really good cut. It ranges unsay pinaga like unsay may simple nga like unsay is there a different charge for kanang kalbo versus fade?
No.
Same price or unsay?
Usually in fade and maskat kalbo 150.
150, okay. The good thing about Philip, which I don't know if yan gitoyo, pero doon kayo sa eskwelahan. Gitoyo na nimo? For doon sa eskwelahan?
Oh yes.
Real. How long have you had this business for?
Almost 5 years.
5 years, okay. Pag so good nimo, lisod kayo. Kung customer on man. Kagitan ka sa laking barbershop o ikaw ay this is your first barbershop yung sugod ka?
Gikan ko sa Lion Barbershop.
Okay.
Then asa ko sa trader ko.
Okay.
Start kami ng negosyo ng barbershop.
Okay.
Then gisuportahan ko niya na mag-barbershop may magsarili.
Sa 5 years, kanang would you say that if na ganang musukod ang negosyo, would you say that sayon or lisod nga negosyo?
Lisod kay pag-start ay grabing struggle.
Oo.
Almost 6 months o 1 year bago kami naka-invest ng customer.
Really? Wow. Eh, na may mga taong Pinoy or even sometimes foreigner, musulod man sila og kanang barbershop usahay just to start a business, pero some of them unfortunately fail kay they're not prepared. Para nimo pagsugod nimo unsa mga struggle imong gi-face gawa sa mokuha sa customer sa kanang pagsugod ng barbershop?
Gatag mi og card na makabalik-balik ang customer og 10 times may free 1 haircut.
Or how many times?
10.
10. Also, muna siya loyalty card.
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And Philip did tell me before, because of this business, it's helping him support mga anak niya. Nag-school ano to? Pagka-nurse and
And
biology and nurse. So it's been good for him, but without any business has its struggle, unfortunately. Which that's part of the journey. Philip, I have a question. If 1 million pesos, and would you mo start over kag laing barbershop o mo sugod kag laing negosyo?
Siguro mag-start ko lang yung negosyo.
Really? Okay.
Like, lechon manok.
Really? Really? Okay.
Grabe na ako na yung almost 30 years na ako nag-start ng barbero.
30 years?
Oo.
So, pilang edad na mo ni sugod ka? Alot og buhok?
Nag-start ko sa ako ang life. Medyo bata pa ko, mga 15. Yan, nag-start ako apply ng barbershop, mga 17. 17 o 18.
Kanang panahon, naabay eskwela, kinsa mo tuon nimo pang barber or pagtuon ka self-taught or siya?
Self lang, experience.
Oh, really? Okay. Have you ever kanang bata pa ka sayo alot sa tawo mo, like reklamo sila?
Dagan kasaman.
Okay. What were you doing in high school? Nano man isulod ka pagka barber? Wala imo una dili ka mosulod ka college or unsa man?
Wala na.
Wow. Unsa may trabaho, unsa may pangita nimo before nahimo kag barber sa 15 ang sugod kag kuan? Unsa may pangita nimo?
Agi ko janitor, tapos nag-dicer ako na sa URC sa panel.
Wow, okay.
Travel.
Wow.
Then nag-driver ako sa company.
That must have been like taga Davao ka. You're originally from Davao. That's a great story. Geeking from something now and nakinegosyo. That's really nice.
Pero dako ka nagtabang sa kuwang pag-barbero kay mo ni paskwela sa akong mga anak.
That's great. That's good to hear.
Siguro daghan na kay magpagupit, mga bagong style sa mga new haircut. Siguro nakakita ang mga bata na bagong style sa haircut, gusto nila magpagupit sila. Kay matud pa dagdag points daw magwapo sila.
But do you think when mo sorry ko mga tao, do you think if naay mo so good o barbershop, do you think they need to start doon sa eskwelahan? Is that one importante nga kailangan buhaton nimo if mo sugod kag barbershop? Or kaya po nga layo ka sa eskwelahan pero you can still make the same money, or lahi ra nga if doon ka sa eskwelahan?
Lahi ang nasa eskwelahan, mas dali makita. Tapos dili kay ka ma-worry sa wala kay customer na mag-start ka. Makatabang mo ng estudyante na makita din nila dahil na ay barbershop dool o eskwelahan. Lisod po doy kung mag-start ka barbershop niya, wala kay barbero. Lalo na wala kay knowledge about sa barbershop niya, mag-start ka. Lisod mangitag barbero na honest.
Sana ka bahin sa honest. Unsa may boto nila nga dili honest? Unsa nag-agi na kaana sa imong 30 years?
Agi na ko.
Unsa may mga buhaton nila sometimes?
Dugay mag-duty, tapos sa'yo mag-out, nga, dili honest ang record.
Really. Yeah, I mean, I guess, yeah. Now, I do have to ask you, kanang, nitugod mo ka ng negosyo, you could have done it like regular, katubang mga, simple barbershop. Na naman imong gi-aircon, na naman imong ipatsada ng lugar, compared sa uban nga barber nga salamin ra o bangko.
Pero nakakiyong bugogan po na non-art na barbershop. Nag-start ko na non-art. So, nag-click man siya. Ako ang non-art. Tapos, akong gi-aircon. After 6 years ko dito sa dating barbershop na akong gi-start ng negosyo. Nag-close man.
Really? Okay.
Gigamit ang pisto sa Tagiya sa pisto sa owner. Tapos nag-asa ko sa kapatid ko na magnegosyo tayo ng class A na barbershop, yung gwapo jud kayo kuan, attractive. Para ang mga customer na kanang dili gusto mo sulod og dili aircon. So, once na mag-aircon na yung barbershop, madagdag ng customer kay aircon ang barbershop.
I mean, where did you learn to upskill imong mag-alot? Did you watch videos? Did you just practice on someone?
Napugoy kuan pod na nakakuha po og knowledge sa kuan mga bagong style sa YouTube, sa mga TikTok, mga bagong style like faded, basket, French crop.
What does the young kids do? Taper fringe?
Oh.
So once again, if you guys are out there, you're looking to come into Davao and you're in the Buhangin area, the MMA area, it's basically going towards Mandog and Tigado, because that's where I'm from, or where I live now. So stop by here, because I'm telling you, it's pretty good. I mean, you will find from time to time it's super busy, because Phil's right near the school. So a lot of the school is like Siemens and a lot of like the service jobs. So these young men here, especially here in the Philippines, young men here love getting haircuts. Kanang haircut did required na did
Oh, required.
That's why it's required for many of the students here to get a haircut. There are times where the uniform goes beyond the actual uniform. The uniform is part of the look as well. You know, like the hair, like I've seen it where, or even I've witnessed it where kids get a haircut, they have to come back to the barber because it's too long. Or sometimes it's not in the style the school wants. They'll turn them back and they won't even let them come into the school. So for those of you who are traveling here with kids, and if you go to maybe private school, I don't even know if it's public school either as well. But sometimes they're going to have standards. So if your kids are into that goth, long hair thing, then I don't know what's going to happen there. So just check up on that as well.
Mahal bang haircut sa Davao, sir?
Average mo gasto ko mga 5,000. 5,000 for a haircut. Pesos equivalent.
Pil ko yung money?
Yeah, every haircut. Mga 5,000.
Very expensive.
Yeah, dala na og tip. Yeah, before I left it was like $25 after COVID. Pero I have seen before nga na yung mga barber shop nga pang estudyante nga pang barber. So barato ra kayo. Pero you have to understand nga basta masayop ng tao, so you can't complain. Nakay plano mo expand?
Na, sir, pero dili pa karon.
Napo kay foreigner nga customer, Philip.
Na.
That's nice. Patano mga gulang?
Na po yang na old.
Okay, very good. Do you notice that there's more gulang diri nga foreigner or mga batanon diri sa Davao?
Sekarang mga
sagol na or
sagol sekarang ano jud na may edad na mga senior.
I'm starting to see kanang mga batanon, mga even mga edad na ko, mga ano na dere.
Oh, na po.
Oh, pretty cool. I mean, it's nice. How many haircuts pinagdaghan in one day have you ever done?
20, 15 a day.
That's average?
Oh.
Yung
Pinaka-grabe yun.
Imong na hinumdum, imong can remember na the most in one day?
40. 40 at 36, 40.
Wow. Is that mga mostly students for like a week? Is that mostly mga estudyante?
Oh, estudyante. Sir?
Sige mo ka na, nalagi mo yun. Pa, I don't want to go to school anymore. Ganun ko mag-alok. When you say no, I don't want to.
Pero kabalo na siya.
Really? Pero bata siya, imong i-training po?
19 na.
Oh, really? Wow.
First ako sa inyo, pagkita no, abon ako, igsuon mo.
Galing yung vector. So, wala nagkulang mo galing mo sa'yo. Even sa stage ko yan na,
This is Brad.
how old is your sister? Wala, mag-igsoon lang tao.
Pero sa inyo diyang relasyon, no, wala mong barkada.
Ay, oo.
Daway mo maglakaw, magistorya. Wala lang mo kanang dugan na dyan na,
Dugay na lang.
oh, warag dili mo magkuhan.
Sa among relationship.
Warag dili mo couple.
Nagagay ka ng, sa 2 years na mong together, pag after na, wala na. Right. Para naman. Ay, debate, pero dili mo
Magaya, no? Pila to ka years?
20 years.
Gaya, no? Dili, Juan, barber to siya. Barber. Bargi tipay mo gamay pod. Barber na tipper to.
No, may requirement sa eskwelahan. By 3 mo.
Tastasan ang part.
Simba, if you guys want a great haircut, come down by Barbero. I'll see Phil next time. Take care.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. We are headed to our next stop, which is apparently I gotta go to a lawyer that will take care of a few things for me. But yeah, okay, on to the next one.